Stacy asks, I'm running out of ideas for content in my business. Can you help me? This is a common problem that a lot of marketers face in their business. They reach a certain point when they've been putting out content for a while and they run out of ideas on what they can do in order to put out more content. What I actually learned from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman, is you can actually repurpose content that you've already created and expand on it. So for instance, you can make a long form video that is about 20 or 30 minutes long. And what you can do with that 20 or 30-minute video is you can split it into clips and actually come up with different pieces of content that way. You can repurpose it as a Facebook Reel, YouTube Short. You can repurpose it as a YouTube video. You can take even social media posts that you've written and expand on it. People are not going to remember what you posted a while back. Keep that in mind. So it's okay to repost posts that have actually done well for you in the past, and you can actually expand on the content that has been getting engagement. So for instance, if you have a post on there that's about asking people what is it that they're looking for instance, just making something up, and you saw that that post got engagement, you can either reshare that post, just post it again. You don't have to like reshare it, but just post it again as a new post, or you can just expand on it a different way. You can even create a story around it. You can even say, when I got first started in affiliate marketing, I didn't really know what I was looking for. I was like a lot of other people in this industry, only focused on the money, but I didn't know what I wanted to do with that money. And you can make a whole story-based post off of it. So remember this, inspiration is all around you. Ideas will never dry up. If you tune in to your self-awareness, if you just take the time to look around you and be inspired, you're going to find that inspiration comes in all forms. Just remember, you can repurpose content and make it new ones.